Hypnosis has been proven to influence heart rate. It's been used for successful applications of reducing and lowering blood pressure, for example, but also respiratory rate. I'm going to speak later on about how hypnosis can actually influence oxygen uptake, which I know seems like the stuff of sci-fi, but absolutely, as well as carbon dioxide production. So there's a number of applications that can be used that can help speed up recovery and improve health. But we already know, and as we've already discovered, hypnosis can be used for overcoming unwanted habits. It can be used for increasing motivation or lowering anxiety, dealing with pain, and all of those applications are potentially relevant and useful for our athletes and for people that are looking to exercise better or improve their sporting performance.